Louisiana are no longer to be eligible for clemency hearings. East Baton Rouge District Attorney Hiller Moore says this has been going on for more than 30 years. He still believes that anything could happen after today's settlement.
And the judge ruled in our favor that their intervention was moot.
East Baton Rouge District Attorney Hiller Moore says a settlement has been reached between Louisiana's district attorneys and Louisiana Board of Pardons and Committee on Parole.
All the parties now are satisfied, so to speak, but I truly expect that the death row inmates, through their free legal counsel, will continue to file whatever suits that they can file.
In August, Governor Edwards sent a letter asking the Louisiana Board of Pardons to consider clemency for 56 death row inmates. Several district attorneys and families of victims were against the governor's move to grant the hearings.
We have never said that we disrespect the governor. We respect his opinion. He has an opinion that may be different than ours, but he is the governor. He has a right to have his own opinion.
According to D.A. Moore, he decided to file an injunction because he believed the process was moving too quickly. And families said to him it was a gut punch.
That was a more difficult phone call because they said, how can this be happening to us when the governor just said that he's against the death penalty and then the pardon board put the matters on the docket. That was a gut punch to him.
Attorney General Jeff Landry asked the courts to pause the clemency hearings. They did, resulting in a legal battle. Moore says he met with the pardon board last week and ironed out a settlement deal. Moore believes this was a win for families seeking justice, but believes the fight isn't over.
Giving those people who have no voice a voice, and we're going to continue to be here. We're not going to go away.
D.A. Hiller Moore says only 10 of the 56 inmates can file for an appeal. If that is granted, those hearings could start as early as this week. Now reporting in studio, I'm Jacqueline Kissick, NBC Local 33 News.